Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore new bikes, upcoming models, and the future of two-wheeler innovation. AJ Humbottkarnwell Hannes Motorcycle ka bear main jiska nam high legacy ka symbol high, 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters Royal Enfield ani Hamesha classic charm or modern engineering ko balance Kia high, or ISS bar ya combination ek or lower displacement category main enter hora high. Is new 125 cubic centimeters variant Kosoth brand ka in youth riders, beginners or daily commuters ko ek premium and heritage filled ride experience dina high. 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters ka design, brand key iconic lines or retro styling ko continue karda high. Fuel tank par bold curves, metal finish elements or vintage badging is bike ko ek classic appeal deet hain. Chrome detailing or round halogen/LED hybrid headlamp iska timeless face ban at a high. Seat comfort is model ka ek major highlight hoga, single piece long seat daily riding kuliya perfect high. Slim mudguard, spoke wheels or relaxed ergonomics isi ek proper Royal Enfield vibe provide kardi hain, lekin lightweight feel Kosoth. Is nigh 125 cubic centimeters engine ka focus high top speed nahi baki refined performance or fuel efficiency par hoga. Expected power output smooth acceleration or urban city rides kuliya coffee responsive hogi. Royal Enfield Dian Dega low end torque par, talk bike traffic conditions main easily pull Karsake. Vibration control kuliya new balancing technology ka use Kia Jaega, just highway ride be steady feel ho. Lightweight frame Kosoth 125 cubic centimeters engine ka pairing everyday use or mileage focused riders kuliya ek balanced option ban sakta high. 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters main modern features ko subtle tarikasi merge Kia Gaya Haga. Expected features main digital analog cluster, trip meter, battery indicator, USB charging port or side stand safety sensor Shamil Hosakt Hain. Braking setup main front disc or rear drum ka combination commuter friendly and cost efficient Rahiga. Suspension soft tuning Kosoth comfortable city ride provide Karega, Joe potholes or uneven roads parby stable feel care. Mileage segment Kohizab SA Sabs important factor Haga. Royal Enfield ISS 125 cubic centimeters variant ko high fuel efficiency Kosoth introduce care, Yahi is model key market strength ban Sakti high. Pricing expected high budget friendly range main, talk young buyers, students or office commuters easily afford Karsakan. Ya bike on log on kuliya perfect hogi joek heritage brand ka feel chad hain, lekin lightweight, economical or daily use friendly option prefer kardi hain. 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters ek bold step high, classic identity ka size down version, lekin feel and soul same. Ya bike commuter segment main ek fresh premium flavor la sakti high. Agar Royal Enfield is model ko right price or strong mileage Kosoth market main launch karda high. Toya segment kuliya ek game changer ban sakti high. Channel the bike shift. Or Humes high upcoming bikes or automotive world key updates lekker 8 rate hain. Thanks for listening, ride safe, and always chase the road ahead.